In the wake of COVID, we further recognized that rural households needed access to regular essential services as well as financial security. In order to address this, Frontier Markets partnered with over 10 different companies to introduce hygiene solutions, local groceries, and fintech services at the doorstep of the rural household. What we see is a unique opportunity to take further partnerships to scale. Frontier Markets now more than ever recognizes the value of rural women entrepreneurs, equipping them with the power of technology and leveraging data to help other products and service companies leverage our platform and achieve the sheer impact that we need to drive our vulnerable communities out of poverty and create a positive impact.
The actual pandemic has blocked the reusable waste material demand in addition to an increase in waste production due to delivery services. We arrange non-contact services, sanitation schedules, and sensitization to reduce the contagion risk. People are now more aware of their own overall waste production, including organics, electronics, and clothing. So it's an opportunity for us to widen our range. Promote equality on recycling chain by encouraging responsible consumption and citizens' awareness of their impact on environment.
Guerrilla tourism has lifted people out of poverty. A donation from every bag sold goes to support community health, guerrilla health, and conservation education around the national park. The COVID-19 pandemic is really affecting our enterprise because most of our customers, our main customers, are gorilla trekking tourists, and when they're trekking the gorillas, they often cross coffee farms and want to support the local communities. I see a lot of opportunity for gorilla conservation coffee in a green post-pandemic recovery because we are creating a market outside Uganda to buy gorilla conservation coffee.
At Farmerline, we combine technology and a network of field agents to help smallholder farmers increase their profits. As an organization, when the first COVID-19 case was recorded in Ghana, we translated WHO COVID awareness messages into 7 local languages and sent them as voice messages to over 18,000 farmers. We also use these channels to ensure that our inputs finance, farmer education, and market access services were still in full force. We are actively seeking to partner with the government to use digital platforms to offer training, farm input, and market access to more smallholder farmers across the country during and beyond COVID-19.
Hi, this is Floriza from Kibébé, Malawi. We make ethical gifts, accessories, and home decor at the refugee camp. COVID hit us hard and sales plummeted. We started making cloth masks, which helped somewhat. But in order to really make a difference, we see the green innovation being localizing our supply chain. That would mean adding value to the cotton that's grown here and making it into a textile that is good for the environment and can be made by people around us.
We recycle plastics to make plastic timbers and other building hardware. Due to COVID-19, we had to close down to respond to government regulations and the World Health Organization. However, we saw a need for personal protective equipment, especially for government frontline workers. And we retooled to manufacture reusable face masks and plastic face shields out of waste. Moving forward, circular businesses are going to be very critical in attaining the UN Agenda 2030 because they put people, profit, and planet at the core of what they do. We all have a role to play in this.